Ready? Start. The expression Viksit Bharat figured in the interim budget speech as it does in other places too. There is always a problem in transcribing Sanskrit words into English. If diacritical marks or IAST International Alphabet of Sanskrit transliteration are not used, which Shah do we mean, Shah or Sa? V is just a qualifier called Upsarga. If we intend Shah, the associated verbal root is to shine. Viksit Bharat is India shining, reminiscent of a slogan from a different era. If we intend Sa, the associated verbal root is to move or go. Viksit means bloomed, blossomed, opened, grown, developed. The National Development Council is Rashtriya Vikas Parishad. Hence, as is obvious to everyone, Viksit Bharat is to be understood in the sense of a developed India, an aspirational goal for 2047. This is the way it was articulated by the Prime Minister in his 77th Independence Day speech on August 15, 2023. In every aspect of progress, when we move forward with the dream of a developed India by 2047, it's not just a dream but a resolve of 1.5 billion citizens. Friends, my dear family members, I have an unwavering belief that in 2047, when the country celebrates 100 years of independence, my country will be a developed India. With that understood, what does the expression developed mean and what metric do we use to pin it down? Otherwise, like the parable of the blind man and the elephant, a parable used by Adi Sankaracharya in his commentary on Chandogya Upanishad, we will be talking at cross purposes. The parable was probably made more famous by John Godfrey Saxe's poem, in that the six learned men respectively compared an elephant to a wall, a spear, a snake, a tree, a fan, and a rope. For developed, we may not have six different criteria, but per capita GDP income, level of industrialization, importance of the service sector and HDI human development index are all plausible options, despite developmental indicators often being correlated with one another. Such differing criteria might not lead to the same identification. To quote a line from the Saxe poem, though each was partly in the right and all were in the wrong. There was a time when the world economy was a simpler and notions of development were relatively straightforward. The world was divided into developed countries as haves, developing countries underdeveloped countries as have-nots, and LDCs least developed countries as never-haves. With more than 190 countries in the world and economies that are diverse and heterogeneous, it is doubtful if anything is gained by fitting all these into three neat straight jackets. Think of finer differences like landlocked and small island countries. To borrow a word that originally comes from Scotland, this is plain Haverhill. Stop.